What is it?
Hi, my name.
Hi, my name is Kylie.
I have the worst friends ever.
Hi, my name is Kylie, and it is my birthday. Can you give my present so I can go and play?
Hey!
Hey! Right.
Kylie is going off on her birthday journey.
What?
Yeah. It's called spontaneity.
Not spontaneity.
I can't even turn my bike around. I
Turn
can't
your
ride
bike
it.
around. You want some sunglasses?
No, it's okay. Dang it!
Hang it in the house.
Yep.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, I just looked in the mirror. Look at Chapter Southgate 309. How many of these are there?
You'll find out. Bye, Kylie. Wave, Kylie. Bye.
I can't ride this thing! Yeah, you can.
You're such a big girl.
Hi, my name is Kylie, and it is my birthday. What am I supposed to say? Can you give me my present so I can go and play?